Hey internet, Harris here. So I just turned off all the fans in this non-AC room on a 90-degree day, so I hope you appreciate the commitment. Anyway, the Note 9 is out, and in its name itself has the word Note. So I was really curious to see if this is a device that you could actually take notes on, and if it would be practical, and if it could be done. The short answer is yes. The long answer is, well, let me explain. Alright, so right off the bat, the Note 9 has two obvious features that make this a device that is a lot more capable of being a note machine, like a school notes device, than pretty much any other smartphone on the market. Reason number one would certainly be that insane display. It's an absolutely massive display, just great looking display, one of the best on the market for sure, if not the best. You can't go wrong with something that is as big, bright, and good looking as this. And secondly, of course, you have the S Pen. Now, the S Pen has been kind of a trademark feature for the Note line for a while. This year we do have some new wireless functionality as like a remote control with this pen. It doesn't change how you use notes, but right off the bat, that is just a nice feature to have for a Note device, because you can get away with maybe using your finger as a stylus on a tablet if you really needed to, but on a smartphone it's just too small of a surface area and you're gonna need something fine like this. And what's great about the S Pen is that it is super good as pretty much any other stylus or any other pen for any other company, the Apple Pencil, the Surface Pen, etc. This works super well, and the fact that you can tuck it away is awesome. Okay, so baked right into the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 would be Samsung Notes. Now what's great about this is that as soon as you take the pen out of the device while it is locked, it'll instantly pull up the screen off memo. With this you can jot down any quick notes, a phone number, some homework that you have, anything like that, and you can save it to your notes. I use this sometimes if I just need to do a quick homework problem. I'll write it out on the pen and then I can save it away, or I can delete it if I just need a quick notepad. This basically works as a notepad, and once you have a note saved in here, you can set it to a reminder. If maybe that homework assignment that you just jotted down, you need to have your phone remind you, you can do that. And of course this is baked right into the Samsung Notes application, which I found to be pretty good. There's definitely some things missing, like you can't change the paper style, you can't put in a grid, but you can do what you need to do. You can change between 6 different style options, including a highlighter of 5 different thicknesses and a variety of different colors, and you can choose any color in the palette that you want. You can have different categories, so if you wanted to have a different category for each class, you could do that. You could have a new note for each day, or you can have them continuing off each other. You can add things such as images, your voice, or a text box if you want to add more dynamic elements to the Notes app. But it's pretty simple. It gets a job done though, and you can use this. While the surface is certainly small, it still does work if you're really needing to use this as a notes machine to do your homework or to do whatever you need. This is an app that you can be using, and it's baked right into the software, which makes it really nice and pretty practical if you just want something that is fully ingrained into the software. But like I said, it is missing a couple features, and pretty much the only other Notes app I found for Android that was decent would be OneNote from Microsoft. Now OneNote is nice because it gives you the options to have a grid or lined rulers for your work, and also has the same basic presets for the pen, but offers fewer pen selection options than Samsung's app. But it does have the main feature of being able to sync with pretty much any device you have, whether it be Windows or iOS or Mac. Whatever it is, you can sync these notes there, but it isn't integrated nearly as well into the software as Samsung's app is. Now, another big feature of this large screen would be multitasking. You can pull up notes and have it hovering above your display, or you can split screen it with notes and maybe the web browser or messages on top. So this is a device that really takes advantage of its big screen with a stylus like this. So if you wanted to take notes on your Note 9, the verdict is that you can do school notes with this. It works really well for the screen off memo to instantly jot things down, or a more dedicated browser. There aren't fantastic note-taking applications for it on Android like there is on iOS, but it works well enough, and if you want to use Samsung's Notes, it's baked right in and it works really well. So this is actually a pretty decent and usable experience if you are looking to take notes on your smartphone. The Galaxy Note 9 is the device to do it. Other notes would work well, but in general, the large screen of the Note 9 paired with the most refined S Pen makes this a really cool device and interesting if you're trying to use it for notes. Anyway, let me know what you think about using the Note 9 as a note-taking device. Is this something you are interested in, or something that you just wanted to know if it's possible? Either way, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. It is very hot in here. We'll catch you in the next video. Now, if you're wondering about the cases shown on the Note 9 in this video, these are from RhinoShield. This is the solid suit case, their full protection option, which is compared to their bumper case, which is also coming out. This is an awesome case if you want 11 feet of drop protection, a really clean design, and gives you some grip and stability when holding your Note 9. You can get the solid suit in the plain black or the carbon fiber, and there are some other options as well, and of course their bumper is coming soon. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks to RhinoShield for helping out with this video.